Привіт-привіт, my dear friends. I decided to record this video not at the balcony, but in the park, in the beautiful one, and the weather is amazing today, so warm, finally. So I wanted to tell you that last weekend I went to Poland, and I recorded some stories from there, and why did I go there? I went there to apply for a Canadian visa. There is a special program right now for Ukrainians. It's called Canada-Ukraine Authorizations for Emergency Travel. So I'm not going to flee to another countries, and I don't really want to do that. And I feel great here in Ukraine because here is my parents, relatives, friends. My husband is at war, and I think it is not really correct for me to go abroad, to stay there, to find their job, different opportunities, so I want to be here. But I decided to get this visa because if the situation becomes worse, I will go to Canada and stay there for some period of time. And this kind of visa, it allows me to work there up to 3 years. If the situation is okay, and I hope it will be safe in Ukraine, especially in the Western Ukraine where I am right now, so I won't go to Canada, but I'm going to visit it as a tourist. So guys, if you are from Canada, please let me know if you can host me, if you can show me the country, your capital, it would be great. And also I would like to go to Canada for a business trip, because maybe I can teach their people Ukrainian language, or to have a practice at university. It would be nice. And about the Poland, it was amazing to visit it for a weekend. People are very welcoming there, and there are a lot of Ukrainian flags, and everybody supports you, and there are a lot of signs in Ukrainian language. There are a lot of camps where you can get food for free, clothing, medicine. And the medicine is free in Ukraine. You don't need to get any insurance. So it was so great to feel yourself like a normal person, to go around the streets, to go to the cafe, and don't worry that there can be a bomb or aircraft from somewhere and you can die any day, any time. So it felt so good, and it was amazing to forget about the bad things and to clean your mind a little bit with this short travel. It was nice. Although my body was in Poland, that all my thoughts and my soul was in Ukraine. Oops, it is so windy today. So I wanted to share this information with you. Unfortunately, I didn't record a vlog because it is very difficult to do that when you are in a rush, when your time is limited, and there are a lot of people all the time, and you have to use your camera, and sometimes the weather is not so good for doing it outside, as you can see right now. But I would like to share some photos with you, and what is amazing, I went to the march in Warsaw. So I visited Warsaw, the capital of Poland, and I went to the march to support Ukraine there. It was so amazing. I was so happy to be there, to support Ukraine, to shout Слава Україні, героям слава, Путін хуйло.
Микола мордує і забija ludzi i okupuje ukraińskie tereny. A my głośno jak tylko mu możemy krzyczymy, że Mariupol to Ukraina. Mariupol to Ukraina! Mariupol to Ukraina! Mariupol to Ukraina! Mariupol to
So I met there my subscriber. So it was also very nice. Now I feel like I'm a famous person. But anyway, it was great. So I'm going to travel to Europe in summer. I'm going to take my mom there because she has never been abroad, and I would like to show her a little bit Europe. Perhaps we'll go to Krakow. This is the city in Poland. Then maybe to Slovakia, and maybe to Germany, or so. I need to make a plan. So I'm going to take a vacation in summer, and I'm going to travel with my mom. I want to show her the world, the Europe, and she was so stressful during the war, so I want her to rest a little bit. So if you want to meet with me in Europe, we can make it work. Why not? So it was great to visit Poland. I applied for a visa. I haven't got it yet, but I hope I will. And anyway, I think I will visit Canada as a tourist, I think, for sure. I believe I won't use it for emergency travel. So that was my news. I was so happy to talk to you. Papa, bye bye.